Shit. I think I'm gonna miss my train. Fuck. Okay, so I was supposed to start my northeast trip today, but I missed my train, and now I have booked a flight from Kolkata to Guwahati. So in this trip I will be covering city of Guwahati in Assam and Shillong in Meghalaya. I'm really excited for this trip because Northeast is really unexplored and beautiful. I was really close to my train, but I could not catch it. If I had reached 1 minute earlier, I would have not missed it. Crazy chaos in Howrah station.
Cielo y tierra y no te encontré y llegas hoy tan de repente.
I made it to the airport in time. Let's check in now. Previously I felt bad that I missed my train, but I had the most amazing stay in this hostel in Park Street and an amazing night partying with the friends I met there. So all in all, it was good that I missed my train.
나약한 모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 그 모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어 믿은 내 젊은